Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. My name is Sonia for those of you that are new, and today I'm going to be giving you ideas for videos for YouTube. So as I said, today I'm going to be giving you ideas for videos for YouTube. So if you are a content creator, if you have a YouTube channel, this video might be useful to you. I've written down a list of about 32 different ideas on my bullet journal. So without further ado, let's just go straight into it. Number 1, got favorite big or small YouTubers. Number 2, how do you film your videos? What equipment do you use to film your videos? Number 3, how do you plan your content? Number 4, going through old photos, story time, anything that you can tell about yourself from the past, that'd be good. Then have number 5, speed painting, speed tidying, anything that's quite quick and to the point people tend to like for some reason. And number 6, you can do declutter videos, which could be literally about anything. 7, tips for a happy life. How do you live your best life? How do you live your happy life? You get the gist. Number 8, hauls of any type. I've seen people do food hauls, beauty hauls, tech hauls, you name it. Number 9, what's in my bag, what's in my camera bag, what's in my backpack, what's in my carry-on, what's in my suitcase, you name it. Number 10, what's in my phone, what are my favorite apps, what apps could I not live without, what are the most useful apps on my phone. You know, there's quite a few videos that you can do around that as well. Then have favorite books, comics, fiction, non-fiction. Again, you've got quite a few there. You can do your reading list for the year. You can do the books that you read last year. You can do reviews. A lot of videos that you can do around books. Number 12, I've got people who inspire you, whether you've got men or women or people around you that inspire you, or even YouTubers that inspire you. You can do a video about that. Then got number 13, X things you've learned in X years. So for example, last year I was turning 25 and I did a 25 things I've learned in 25 years. That was a collaboration with Ash Catch. So if you've not seen it, go check it out. Then have number 14, draw my life. Number 15, letter to your past self. Number 16, letter to your future self. Number 17, ways to distress. What do you do to distress? What do you do to just chill out? Number 18, shoes, bags, mugs, vinyl, anything collection. People love seeing collections of things, so if you've got a collection of any type, you can do a video about that. Number 19, you can do a daily vlog, just film what happens for that day, or if you're going to an event, or if you're seeing some people, or if you're doing something that day, then you can film it and make a daily vlog out of it. Again, that kind of goes with a day in your life. You can kind of film what your day looks like on a normal day, what your routine is, and like what do you do on a normal day to day, and you can make a vlog out of that as well. And that goes again with like nighttime routine, morning routine, summer routine, winter routine. Like there's so many of those that you can do. Then have facts about you. So again, you can do a 15 facts about you, 25, 50, however many facts you want to tell about yourself. Number 22, favorite movies, favorite music, favorite TV shows, favorite shows to watch on Netflix, favorite shows to watch on Amazon Prime. You know, people are always looking for new shows to watch, so if you've watched something that you've really enjoyed, you can put it out there. You can also do reviews of particular shows. So yeah, there goes more ideas. And then have number 23, we've got Q&As. Number 24, a week in outfits. So whether you're a female or a male, you can do this. You can do your week in outfits, like Monday to Friday or Monday to Sunday, what you wear, or you can just do like a lookbook, like a summer lookbook, or just be creative, people. These are things that you do every day. You get dressed pretty much every day. Most people do anyway. 25, any challenge of any type. Number 26, a tag. There is so many tags out there that you can do. There is literally like this or that tag. There is literally just type in on Google YouTube tag and you will have a list come up, so go have a look. Number 27, what does your dream life look like? What do you want your life to be? What would you like your life to be in your wildest dreams? You know, you can put it out there and law of attraction does its thing. You've got to manifest. Number 28, what are your goals? Number 29, what is in your bucket list? Number 30, places that you've been or places that you really want to go to. That can be another thing. So you can do like top 5 places that you've been to, or top 5 places that you want to go to, or top 5 places that you've been to that you would not go again. Again, just think. But around that, there is so many videos that you can do. And then number 31, I've got biggest fears. Number 32, I've got your biggest insecurities. But we can add a 33 and say your biggest achievements. When it comes to videos, you just have to be open to the possibilities more than creative, because if you think about it, there is videos that you can do about absolutely anything. It all depends about how you put it together, what you want to say, and obviously focus more on videos that you are passionate about and that you have something to say about. But there's no limit to your imagination. I currently have a notebook with over 300 video ideas, so definitely not short on video ideas. My problem is definitely when it comes to executing, so that's where I need to work on. And sometimes obviously I will have an idea but I'm not quite sure how to execute it, or there's like not enough money to get it done, or there's not enough quality, or you know, there's always stoppers, and you can't always take your ideas from an idea to execution, but it's good to have them in the back burner in case in the future you are able to do it. These are all video ideas that you can do literally at home, and it's all based on you, so you don't really have to do that much research outside of get to know yourself and get to know what you want to say and put across, really. But yeah, so I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And if you have any other video ideas, just put them down below. I'm sure they'll be helping someone in the comments. Have a good day, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Bye!